well, well. Ladies and gents, hello. Welcome to the vlog. You're gonna go? Maybe? Kinda? Second honk of the day. Second honk of the day. Whoa. Second honk of the day. Third brap of the day. All these things happening, and there's much confusion across all fronts. I don't know what's going on. I do know one thing now, and I will convey that message to you guys. It is a Friday. Is my phone ringing? No, it's just my bike vibrating. I'm not used to riding this leather jacket because leather jacket acts a little bit differently. I don't know why it feels like my phone is vibrating. I don't know. I just don't fucking get it. But it's Friday and we're ready. What are you doing, buddy? This big smelly truck. Big smelly truck. And we're in Dumbo. There's not going to be a vlog. I think this is going to be one of those episodes where I just fucking like ramble and bitch and moan. It's kind of like the reality vlog. So that's cool. And today I'm actually relaxing. There's one task I'm going to do, which I'm very much excited about. And that's thanks to NYC Scrambler. That sucker who just got rid of his Ducati for a Yamaha. But yeah, but he also hooked me up with a power washer. That's right. So my task this afternoon is to actually power wash my balcony. Yay! I've had this place for like 7 years now, and I've never once have power washed the balcony. So I'm imagining like a stream of dirt and filth coming off of it. I can't wait. I'm a big fan of things like that. Looks like there's not going to be any sort of quick flow through here. What is this? I'm not sure. Definitely not Paw emergency services. Who knows? But really, you fucking dicks. Because I don't show like straight up savage lane splitting like this. It's a goddamn shame. It's a goddamn fucking shame. Fucking tiny little car driving like a bitch. Anywho, I forgot about Forgot about the vlog. So I think we're just gonna chill. And that's that. That's the end of it, broskies. Well, thank you for watching. I mean, the start was kind of like something, right? I'm gonna take a look at this footage and see if any of it is useful, because things kind of fell apart and became this like fucking Brapfest. You know, not much more. But anywho, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you soon.